Let's make the Toucan from Kraken Rum. We are going to shake this drink, so I'm going to start putting my ingredients in the shaker, and I'm going to start with 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. 1/4 ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. 1/2 an ounce of lime juice. 1/2 an ounce is 15 milliliters. 1 ounce of pineapple juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Yes. 1 ounce of carrot juice, and I have to admit I did not squeeze these carrots. I bought this in the store. Unsweetened organic, that's what I like. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. 1/2 an ounce of Campari. 1/2 an ounce, 15 milliliters. And 1.5 ounces of the Kraken black spiced rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Add some ice and give it a shake. The official glass is a rocks glass or a low ball. I'm going to fill that with ice. I'm going to get a little bit more ice. Then I'm going to strain this into that glass. And the garnish. The official garnish is what they call a pineapple and carrot bird. I'm not good with garnishes at the best of time, so I don't know how to make one. I looked it up online because there wasn't even a picture of that on their own website. If you know where I can learn how to make little sculptures with fruit and vegetables, let me know in the comments down below, because this is what I ended up with. Let's just call it a pineapple carrot bird deconstructed. And there you have it. The Toucan from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits.